Hello everyone, it's Dario from Financially Awakened here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a website in 5 minutes for free. I have written the full post on how to start your own blog in 5 to 10 minutes using SiteRubix, so you can either watch this video or read the post and follow the step-by-step instructions to create your website today. So let's get started. The platform I'll be using is SiteRubix, which is a combination of website hosting with a website builder. SiteRubix is an integrated tool within the multi-affiliate platform, which is an affiliate marketing educational site. You can create a website directly from SiteRubix website. You can create it directly from my website, Financially Awakened, from the post I will link out to in the description, or you can log into Wealth Affiliate and start creating a website directly from the platform. If you're new to Wealth Affiliate, or if you don't know anything about Wealth Affiliate platform, I highly recommend you to check out my other video where I reviewed all features available within Wealth Affiliate. So if you don't have an account, you can create one by starting to create a website using SiteRubix. This will eventually help you create an account within Wealth Affiliate platform, since this website builder is integrated into the platform. However, you can also create a Wealth Affiliate account by yourself and follow my training on how to create a website using this video. No matter which way you choose to create your website, you'll face the same website builder, so you don't have to worry about choosing the right or wrong way. As I'm a member of Wealth Affiliate, I'll go directly into the websites and choose a site builder. Inside the site builder, the first thing you'll come across is a domain name. If you don't know what the domain name is, I highly recommend you check out my post on domain names. And so basically, if you choose a free domain name, you'll get a SiteRubix.com domain name assigned to your website. Other choice is to create a website on a domain you own or on a domain you will register. If you choose to register a domain, you'll be able to purchase a top-level domain such as .com, .net, .co.uk, and so on. The second thing you'll come across is choosing a domain name for your website. So this is where you will choose your website's name. For example, I'll choose badminton rackets. So the name is available, and the next step is to choose the title for your website. So for my website, I'll choose the same title as the domain name is. This will help people recognize what the site is about, and it won't confuse anyone. The fourth, and I believe the final step, is to choose a design for your website. Within Wealth Affiliate, you will have access to around 4,000 themes you can use. You can use the search bar to search for any specific theme or a design, or you can just browse and choose any of available themes within the Wealth Affiliate. For example, I'll choose this one because it looks nice. And fifth step is to confirm your choice and build out your website. Once you click build my website, your website will be in the process of installation. Once your website is created, you'll get admin details that will help you to log in the backend of your website. This is a place where you can customize your website, write content, and do more upgrades, such as installing plugins. You will get the website URL and admin login URL. If we click on website URL, we will be able to see our website live. Even though this website looks empty and kind of a blank, you'll be able to create content, customize the website, create a navigational menu, and do more customization and upgrades to make your website look professional and neat. I should also mention that creating a website within Wealthy Affiliate is free for everyone. You can create an account for free, and you can have 2 free websites up and running within minutes. Along with the website, you'll also get all the support from Wealthy Affiliate, such as site speed, site protection against spam, and site SSL certificate. Once you have created your website, you can return to Wealthy Affiliate and get back to the Site Manager. Inside the Site Manager, you'll have an insight into important details related to your website. Details such pages, posts, approved comments, but also monitoring that will keep your website safe from hackers and spam. I really like Site Health feature, which is also available to starter members. If you click View Details, you'll be taken to a page where you can find more information on your website. As you can see, here is my website that I host right here at Wealthy Affiliate, and here is the trial website I did for this video guide. If you reach this step, if you have reached this step, this means that you have successfully created your website, so congratulations. Now is the time to learn more about how to create content, how to optimize your website, and how to get exposure and traffic. If that's something you're interested in, I highly recommend you to visit Financially Awaken and learn how to take your website to another level until you have the ability to monetize and make revenue from your website. So this is everything for today's video. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.